Hi friends, Tina did it here and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a small and easy organization hack for you. It's this paint caddy. I don't know if you remember, but around a year ago I uploaded this paint organizer and some of you were saying that when you take out one bottle, some paint bottles fall out. So I wanted to come up with a solution to this for all of you, and this is what I came up with. This is perfect because you can just carry your paint over to the craft table and do what you have to do. So I definitely love this and it's very helpful. It's definitely easy to make and definitely a space saver. And it cost less than $6 to make. So if you want to see how I made this using all Dollar Tree items, just keep on watching. So to make this adorable paint caddy, you're going to need 4 napkin holders from Dollar Tree. Remember, everything in this video is from Dollar Tree. So I'm going to just take the tags off really quick, and now it's time to put it together. To do this part, you're only going to need 1 napkin holder, so I'm going to set 3 aside, and I'm going to bring in my chopping mats. I picked this up from Dollar Tree. You get 2 in a pack, and I'm going to just only use 1 for this caddy. If you're going to make another caddy, that's perfect. You have another chopping mat right there. So just keep that in mind. If you need 2 paint caddies, you already have 2 of the chopping mats there. You just have to pick up extra napkin holders. But I'm going to go ahead and trace that because that's going to be the bottom of the napkin holder. That's what's going to hold the paint up. And here I'm just going in with a pen and I'm tracing my napkin holder. I'm going to trace 4 of them on this chopping mat and then I will be cutting it down. I love the chopping mat idea because it's clear and it's hardly noticeable on the paint organizer. So this is perfect. But before I forget to mention, if you like videos that are straight on point and cute and simple projects like this one, and definitely affordable, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button so you're notified every time I upload a video. And now you should have 4 pieces that look like this. Now I'm going to go in with E6000 since it has a permanent hold and I want this entire thing to stay in place. So for this project, I'm using only E6000 and I'm going to apply some E6000 onto the bottom of the napkin holder on both rings, the outer ring and the inner ring, and apply the chopping mat on top of that. I did put the rough side. If you do touch the mat, there's a rough side and there is like a glossy side. I left the glossy side on the outside. So that way, I just felt like the rough side will hold on nicely and better with E6000 versus the glossy side. So just remember while you're doing this, rough side in, glossy side out. Now I'm going to do the same thing to all of my napkin holders, and remember you could add some weights to this and let it dry because E6000 does take a while to seal and I don't want this falling apart, so I will leave this a while and let it completely dry. Now that they're dry, I'm going to go in with this paper towel holder and I'm going to put this all together. Just a quick reminder though, if you don't want your paint caddy to be silver, you could spray paint all of these items before gluing the chopping mat, of course. So just go ahead and spray paint it and then follow the same steps afterwards. But now to put this together, I'm going to use some zip ties and E6000 just for extra support, and I'm going to start at the bottom and work my way up. Now I'm going to work with this 1 napkin holder at a time. So I'm going to start with 1, and what you want to do is apply E6000 in the areas where the chopping mat touches the paper towel holder. So wherever it touches the napkin holder and paper towel holder, that's where you want to apply your E6000. And now I'm just going to go in with my zip ties and zip tie this together just for extra support. You don't have to use zip ties, especially in the bottom level, but I just have it there for extra support. I recommend using zip ties for the top level, but you don't necessarily have to use it for the bottom level since the paper towel holder already has a stable bottom. So you don't have to use the zip ties at the bottom. And now I'm going to place in the next napkin holder and just follow the same steps. Now I did set this aside for a few hours just for it to dry a little bit before moving on to the next step. Now you want to measure and see how high you need your upper level to be before going on and gluing it. That way you can get your paint in and out easily. Now I'm just going to turn it on its side and I'm going to apply E6000, and once again use the zip ties as well and follow the same steps. And then when you're done with that, be sure to leave it maybe overnight to completely dry before putting in your paint, so that way it doesn't fall apart. Now for the upper level, I did add an extra zip tie, zipping all of them together just to make sure that they stay together up there. And this is holding up. It didn't fall apart or anything. So the E6000 and zip tie definitely worked. And yeah, you guys have to give this a try and let me know what you think down in the comments. It was easy and definitely affordable, and I might be making more of these for my other bottles. You can fit Mod Podge in here, paint, tacky glue, pretty much anything. You can probably use this for spices too, but I want to know what you think down in the comments. Let me know what other ideas, what else can we use this for? Maybe we can use it in the kitchen to save up on some space. Honestly though, the best thing about this is that you can carry it anywhere. So let me know down in the comments what you think, and I hope this idea helped. And now it's time to say goodbye. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more fun DIYs. And make sure to share this with your friends. Thank you all for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.